Hi everyone. Having to go back to watch the video from week one has made me realize how far I've come and how much I've grown in the space of the 6 to 7 weeks. And the three big ideas that I believe are the most important in math education are: one, interactive activities. In the teaching and learning of mathematics, math activities has to be engaging, it has to be interactive in such a way that every child can benefit from it, regardless of their background or their race or their socioeconomic status. And such, as educators, we have to be mindful of the activities that we put together or plan in our lesson for students to learn. Also, that the classroom has to be dynamic. We as educators, we have to be flexible and dynamic. And we shouldn't see the teaching of mathematics as a one size fit all. In a whereby we're using an approach and it doesn't benefit our students, we should be able to switch it and make it more engaging and more fun for our students to be able to embrace and learn. And also that math should never be taught in isolation. Growing up, I always thought that math is just a subject that stands on its own and as such cannot be diluted or it cannot be expanded. It's just math and basically stands on its own. But over the course of this class, I have come to realize that maths can be learned in any form, in any way, whether in cooking in the kitchen or going grocery shopping. Maths can be incorporated into any activities, and this would enable our students to imbibe a growth mindset without seeing maths as an intimidating subject. My belief towards maths has definitely changed because from week one I was so anxious, but now I'm a bit relaxed because I've come to realize that there's really nothing much into it. It's just being able to embrace it, able to allow our students to engage their own way with questions and prompts and cues. They'll be able to love and learn math. What made me change my belief is those videos. Those videos every week I look forward to them. I honestly catch myself at times giggling like I'm a student in that class because I was never taught math in that way. And for me to realize that I could impact my students in such a way, in a relaxed atmosphere where there's no anxiety, there's no tension. And so for me, that has changed my mindset. It has impacted me in ways that I cannot begin to explain. And I definitely would go back to watch those videos over and over again.